Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Philly coming back with a new video today. In today's video I'm going to be showing you and explaining how to cut an image out of one photo and basically paste it into a different background or whatever for like thumbnails for example. But what you want to first do is go to file, open whatever image you want to use, click on that image. I already got my image I want to use. I'm going to use the Fortnite fish because it's the easiest. It ain't all like very detailed, it's just very small straight lines basically, so it's going to be easier for me to show you and explain. But what you want to first do is make sure you have the pen tool clicked on, and then make sure it's on path, not shape. It don't matter about any of this back here. But what you're going to want to do is hit Control Alt and then zoom up on your mouse or whatever, like scroll up. If you're using the mouse, I prefer using the mouse, but click on the outside of the photo, or if it's in the center of the photo you can click. Just make sure you know where you had your starting point at, which is going to be very obvious where it's going to be at. Then what you're going to do is want to outline the character you're using. You just click, and then like if it's like a very curvy spot, you just hold it. But this fish is, like I said, it's very straight just about. And you just want to go around his whole body doing the same thing constantly. It's very time consuming, but it's better to have quality over quantity. But I'm going to speed this process up just so y'all ain't sitting here watching this because it gets boring. And then if you want to scroll from left to right, just make sure you hold down Control up on the wheel or down the wheel, whichever direction you want to go. And for example, if you mess up like I just did, hit Control Alt Z, it steps back one. Once you get to the end, whatever, for example, I came all the way down here, you can click out here. It don't really matter exactly, but you just want to make sure you reconnect to that last dot you made, like that. Then you hit right click, make selection, and then once you get it connected together, make sure you have make selection. And also, very important part, hit Control J. Let me zoom out real quick. Control Alt, zoom out, and then boom, there you go. You got the cutout image what you want to use. And then for example, since I want to use it on a different background, open the other image you want to use. For example, I'm going to use Salty Springs, and if it's the right format and everything else, size, it's going to work. Just right click on the image you want to duplicate into it, hit duplicate into, and make sure you click on the one you want to put it on, and you check it, boom, it's there. So for example, see, what you also want to do is make sure you go to edit or Alt Control T, hit free transform. Make sure you hold shift. If you hold shift, it's not gonna like kill the quality of the photo whenever you like want to make it bigger or whatever. So whenever you got to where you want it to be, for example, like I want this just to be right here, a little decent in that corner. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's make sure you hold Control while you're doing it. Not Control, hold Shift while you're doing it. And then hit the check mark. Boom, there you go. That's how you move a different photo into another photo, cutting out the background. Yeah guys, that's how you do it. So this will be the end of the video. If it helped you out, make sure you leave a like. If you need help with something else, just comment down below. And if you're stuck anywhere in this tutorial of like kind of lost, like I kind of messed up anywhere, I forgot I'll leave something out, just let me know. I'll help you out through the comments best I can. And yeah guys, it been your boy Philly. I'm out. Peace.